So what way would you like to have? Would you like to have the recording separately through Google Drive, or you want me to upload the lessons on YouTube and give you the link of the YouTube for the channel? So it will be available for everyone.
Anything is fine for me.
Any which way is fine for me as well. Yeah.
Mhm. Because in a second possible way, you don't have to keep it saved anywhere.
Yeah, right. If on YouTube, then I can go back and
Correct. You
We
can
check the
go.
subsequent.
Hmm. Okay. Today we are going to talk about modal verbs. After this session, you will be able to frame sentences using modal verbs. You will be able to order someone with some instructions. You are going to give someone advices. You are going to give someone permissions, able to give permissions. You'll be able to express your wishes, demand, desire, etc. All right. Bharat is joining in 2 minutes. Let's wait for him. So you'll be able to frame sentences using modal verbs, order someone some instructions, give someone advices, permissions, express your wishes, demand, desire. So how many modal verbs do we have in German? Dipali, Ria, any idea?
no sir, भूल गया.
Bhul gaye? Very good. No problem. So we have in total 7. First we have müssen, sollen, dürfen, wollen,
Können.
können, möchten, mögen, mögen. Müssen we use to say must, has to, have to. If someone is obliged to do something, someone is bound to do something, someone has no option, that you have to do it, you have to go, you have no choice, right? Someone is not allowed to or not allowed to, allowed to or not allowed to. Oh, we can skip it. Sollen is used to express should. You give someone advice, suggestions. Dürfen is used to express may. Hi Bharat, good evening. Hello Bharat. Hi, good evening. Hi.
I got stuck up with something. Yeah.
No problem, that's okay. So Bharat, today we are going to do modal verbs. Okay.
Okay.
So after today's session, you are able to do the followings. You are able to to frame sentences using modal verbs, order someone with some instructions, give
Okay.
someone advices, inputs. You should not do it. You should do it. You should not go out. It's Corona. You have to stay at home. These kind of basic sentences you'll be able to make, and you will be able to give permissions, express. You'll be able to express your wishes, demand, and desires. So that's what. So we have 7 modal verbs in total in German.
Okay.
Müssen. We pronounce it as mü, mü, Müssen. 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 Sollen. Sollen. Dürfen. Dürfen. Wollen. Wollen. Können. 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 Möchten. Möchten. Mögen. Mögen. This is how the pronunciation is. Okay. So please be with me. Müssen,
Müssen,
sollen,
sollen,
dürfen,
dürfen,
wollen,
wollen,
können,
können,
möchten,
möchten,
mögen.
mögen.
Mögen, correct. So dürfen is müssen is used to express must, has to, have to, you are obliged to do something, you're bound to, you have no option. Sollen we used to express should, advice, suggestions, these kind of inputs. Dürfen is used to express the may. You are allowed to give someone permission. All right. Wollen is basically want to. That's my direct wish. That is something related to the direct wish. So for example, when I say indirect wish and direct wish, I go to a restaurant, let's say KFC, and I simply order, I want capsicum pizza. I want, except I don't want anything. That's my direct wish, what I want directly. I don't want anything else, right? And möchten is basically would like to. That's my indirect wish. Sorry, sir, capsicum pizza is not available. Anything else you would like to order? Okay, in that case, I would like to have XYZ pizza. So direct, indirect, that's straightforward. You go to CCD, what a form of model verb would you use to order a coffee? Is it want or möchten? CCD, coffee.
Möchten.
Wollen.
Sorry, wollen, wollen.
Wollen, that's my direct. So coffee has multiple varieties, right? I want a cappuccino. I want espresso. But of course, in CCD, we have pizzas available, but not all the CCDs have that. So then we order möchten. Können is can. You are able to do something. You are able to do something, right? When you say you give permission, you can go now. You can go now. All right. And mögen is simply like to. Oh, okay. I should say it's to like. Not like to, it's to like. Okay. These are my modal verbs. How these modal verbs are used and conjugated, that comes here. Concatenate. Okay, it generally put the column into column. Why do that?
You can copy this and say transverse, and then it will go the right
Okay.
side.
Copy.
Copy and go to the right, and then click the right, do the right click,
Okay.
and you will have, you should have here
Paste special.
a special, yeah. Transverse will be there.
Transfers. Oh,
yeah,
wow. Thank you. So what are the pronouns we have?
Ish, do,
Ish, do, er, sie, CS, wir, ihr, sie, right? Okay. How to learn these modal verb? This is one of the easiest part of German grammar. One of the easiest part. And Bharat, you are going to like it. It is
Okay.
very easy. So it is, I just need to learn only the ish part. That's it. Ich muss, ich soll, ich darf, ich will, ich kann, ich möchte. And ich mag. That's it. Ich muss means I have to. Ich soll means I should. Ich darf means I may. Ich will, I want to. Ich kann, I can. Ich möchte, I would like to. Ich mag, I like. That's only one thing. Because ich and RZS, they're always same. Ich and RZS, they're always same. No exception. With do, we just add st. Here we'll add t because two s's are already there. Rest st. Everywhere. It is darf st. Will st. Kann st. Möchte möchtest. Mag magst. Okay. Wir and ZZ, they're always same. They are always same. Wir and ZZ, they are always same. Here, we just have to remove en from the end and add t. Just add t. Solved. Dürft. Wollt. Könnt. Möchtet. Mögt. Mögt. See how easy it is, right? I'm repeating again. We just have to learn the ish form. Ish and RZS, they are same. There is no difference. Do, we just add st. Wir and ZZ, they are always same. Always same. With ear, we just add t. Right? Let's try to learn. Okay, let me just paste it in your chat box so that you can refer to it. All right. Now, let's talk about sentence formation. Sentence formation. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. First place, we talk about simple sentences. First place is always
Subject.
Subject. Second place is modal verb. Third place is object. Fourth place is infinitive form. Now, to help with infinitive form, to Sumit and Vaibhav and Bharat. Infinitive form of the verb means the original form of the verb. Say, for example, I have a verb called gehen, which means to go. Unless I don't conjugate this verb, this is called the infinitive form. Okay. Trinken. What could trinken mean?
To
Drink.
drink.
To drink.
Correct. To drink. Gehen. Okay. Geben.
Give.
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 To give. This is my infinitive form. Infinitive form of the verb is the original form of the verb. Till it is not conjugated, it is known as infinitive form. First place subject, second place modal verb, third place object, fourth is infinitive form. Example. Example.
I think the purpose of infinitive form here, like we already have a model verb. So do we have to have one more verb?
So in English, that to answer your question, please observe this one. I want to go. What is to go? Want, I get it. It's my modal verb. To go. How do I express to go?
Okay.
Okay. You should not drink. What is this drink doing in a sentence? Right?
Sorry.
What is this verb doing in a sentence? This is going to be
It's
expressed
like,
as
it's telling what
Gehen.
correct.
we have.
I want to go. What is I want to?
Go.
Ich wolle. It's wall.
Please check the list I shared in the chat box. Ich will.
Okay.
Okay, let's not, because we don't have any object, we are not putting it.
Gehen.
Okay. I should go. Sumit, I should.
Ich soll gehen.
Correct. Okay. Bharat, I have to go.
Ich.
Which modal verb we have to use here? Have
Ich
to.
wollen. Ich wollen.
Okay. Anyone can help Bharat, please?
Müssen.
Habe
Mission.
gehen.
Very nice, Dipali. Very good.
Sir, have है.
That's what. हम starting में क्या था ना? Has to, have to.
Yes.
Okay.
ये have मेरी infinitive नहीं है, ये मेरी modal verb है. That's the modal verb. Have to, has to. Okay. Yes. So it will be ish.
Muss.
Ich müssen.
Gehen.
Correct. Ich muss gehen. Ich muss gehen. You have to go. Vaibhav?
One second.
What is you have to?
You in this like do
Yeah,
do musht gehen.
correct. Very easy. Okay, let us introduce object. We are going to introduce die Cola and trinken. Die Cola means the cola and trinken means to drink. Let's say I want to drink cola. What comes on first place?
Ich,
Will.
ich will,
Yeah,
ich will
Trinken cola.
very
trinken.
nice.
Cola
Cola
trinken.
object after modal verb. There is
Cola trinken.
cola
Cola trinken.
trinken. Okay. She wants to drink cola.
Sie will Cola
Cola
trinken.
trinken.
Correct. Bharat. He should drink cola.
I don't know about he.
Okay. Guess.
He.
R.
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 Okay.
Okay. So air.
R. Mag.
No, should.
Should.
Should. What modal verb is for should?
Soll.
Soll.
Has, have to, should, may, want to, can, would like to, and to like. So which modal verb?
Sollen.
Sollen. And which form? Soll.
Soll.
So er,
R. Soll.
soll.
Cola trinken.
Correct. Do this one as well.
Okay.
I would like to drink cola. Which form of modal verb will I use here?
Ich. It is I want or
Ich möchte.
I would like to. I
I
would
would-
like to.
Ich
ich
möchte.
moch.
Ich
Ich
möchte.
mochen.
Ich möchte.
Möchten.
Ich möchte. Meeting will be over in 10 minutes. Please rejoin.
Möchte.
Ich mochten.
Ich
Cola.
möchte.
Cola trinken.
Correct. Ich möchte Cola trinken. Okay. Let's try to form a negative sentence. Negative sentences. Subject, am I audible?
Maybe a silly question. So the fourth place always remain an infinitive form, or do we have any more forms over here?
Okay, it's exactly infinitive form is always going to be in the end of the sentence. So because we do not have anything else here, so that's why we name it as fourth place. I should say the last place.
सर
Yeah.
सर जैसे ये ट्रिंकन वर्ब है गेहन वर्ब है ये सब चीजें सेकंड उसमें भी आती हैं सेकंड प्लेस में भी कुछ
Correct.
सेंटेंस में
Correct.
तो वहां पर मोडाल वर्ब का कहीं भी यूज नहीं होगा
No, no, no. आप सवाल उल्टा पूछ रहे हो बेटा. आप ये पूछो अगर ये आएंगे तो मॉडल वर्ब नहीं आएगी. नो, क्वेश्चन शुड बी अगर ये मॉडल वर्ब आएगी तो ये लास्ट में रहेंगी. मॉडल वर्ब आएगी क्योंकि वो देखो ये मेरी मेन वर्ब है. अगर मैं इस वर्ब को सेंटेंस में एज अ मेन वर्ब यूज कर रहा हूं तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि मॉडल वर्ब इज गोइंग टू बी देयर.
ओके सर
Okay, right. So let's say negative. How can you make a negative sentence? So there is a word called nicht. Infinitive form. So just before infinitive form, we are going to add nicht, means not. Nicht. Okay, let's say I don't want to go. I don't want to go. What was I want to go? Let's
Ich will Kevin.
correct. Now it will be
Nicht gehen.
Ish not, ish,
Ich will nicht gehen.
Nicht gehen.
Make sure this nicht always is with the infinitive form. They are going to stay together. They are like siblings. They don't leave each other. Okay. I should not go. Bharat, please try.
ich soll nicht geben.
Nicht
Nicht.
gehen.
Gehen.
Gehen. Verb. I don't have to go.
Ich. Hmm. I think ich muss nicht gehen.
Correct. Ich muss nicht gehen.
Can we
Let's-
take an example for dürfen?
We can. We are going to take.
Okay.
We're going to take.
Manoj, the hish, whatever you have mentioned on the previous table,
Mhm.
can you just tell me what is that? Because
This one?
no, the previous one. Yeah, this hish do here.
Oh, this one you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So ish is I. Is I. Do is you singular informal. You singular informal. It is he, she, it. Hi Karthik. We, you all, they, you, singular formal. Okay. Okay. So this is my informal. That's he, she, it, we, you all, they, you, singular formal.
So where I could map the don't, do or don't?
Say again.
It was like I don't like, right? So will it go with the should or like
Don't like.
Yeah.
That is different. That
But
is
it-
different. I don't like is different because the verb here is not like to. The verb is to like. Okay. So I want to go. I don't want to go. Nicht. Only difference is nicht.
that don't is right. So I could not able to map where this don't is going to align with the model word.
I didn't get you. So you're not able to align it
The don't word, like how
because I am saying. See, do we say I not want to go? What is correct grammatically? I don't want to go, or I
don't
not
want to
want to go. I don't want to go. But that means I am neglecting this sentence, right?
right.
The verb is I don't want. My main verb is want and don't want. So
Mhm.
negation of modal verb, we express it this way. There is infinitive, there is nicht before infinitive.
Ish.
I should go, ich soll gehen. I should not go, ich soll nicht gehen. I have to go, ich muss gehen. I don't have to go, ich muss nicht gehen. You have to go. Du musst gehen. You don't have to go. Du musst.
Nicht gern.
No.
Nicht gehen. I want to drink cola. Ich will Cola trinken. I don't want to drink Cola.
Ich will
Will nicht
Cola.
Cola nicht trinken.
Ich will Cola nicht trinken. Richtig. Okay. Sumit, she doesn't want to drink cola.
Sie muss.
No,
Nicht.
it's not muss. Sie
Sie will.
Will
Will er
nicht
nicht.
trinken.
correct. Vaibhav, he shouldn't drink cola.
Will sagen,
Vaibhav,
So,
Er wollte Cola nicht trinken.
okay. Bharat, I would like to drink cola. I would not like to drink cola.
Ich.
nicht
Ich Cola.
No,
1 second.
Can
ich möchte,
Ich möchte Cola nicht trinken.
correct. Ich möchte,
so will it not be a can?
no. It would be, I can't drink cola.